from Lions Clubs International. This is LQ, Lions Quarterly. We begin with Lions making a global impact. Superstorm Sandy ravaged the east coast of the United States in October. Many residents lost everything, their homes, cars, even their lives. But Lions and LCIF are providing much-needed relief.
We cannot physically go in and help every single household, but if we can just give them a little piece of hope and let them know that they can get back on their feet.
And I always let them know that it seems bad right now, but we as Lions going to be here for you to see you through.
With grants from LCIF and donations collected by clubs, districts, and members, Lions have been able to provide basic necessities. Massachusetts Lions drove to New York and set up a soup kitchen. Other Lions came to assist with the massive cleanup. From near and far, Lions are reaching out to help.
I'm alive, I'm fine.
Rosemary Joyner, a Lion in New York, is grateful. She was rescued from her third-floor window when water from the bay rose up to the second story of her home.
These things all have to be thrown out because it was salt water. This is material stuff. The most important thing in all this room was my life, and I saved my life.
Though Rosemary's belongings were damaged, her spirit wasn't dampened. A true Lion, Rosemary was out helping others the day after her dramatic rescue.
There's always someone worse than you. I was not doing anything. As you see my house, I couldn't stay in here. I went to help.
I need a blanket.
Immediately after the water receded, Lions started venturing into heavily affected areas to see what was needed and to deliver goods directly to residents. And Lions keep coming back.
I have been to Far Rockaway in these last couple of weeks many times. We were there days right after the devastation. And you have to help, and that's what we do. Our motto says it, we serve.
The Lions Club is awesome, you know, they came down, they gave us all this free gear, get our house back in order, and just try and get back to some kind of normalcy in our life.
Perhaps greater than any donation is the emotional support that Lions are extending.
When I see someone that's been devastated, my heart, I just ache for them, and I can't help but want to do as much as I possibly can for them.
In Washington, D.C., the White House recently recognized Lions as champions of change. Valerie Jarrett, senior advisor to President Obama, welcomed Lions.
Real change can happen when individuals make the decision to serve their communities. Each and every one of you have done just that.
Government leaders met with Lions for a community briefing.
It's just exciting to know that there's such a force of people that are focusing their efforts on education.
11 Lions from the U.S. represented all Lions as champions of change and participated in panel discussions. The first panel shared how Lions are champions of youth, education, disaster, and environment.
Someone asked me the other day, do you have environmental problems in Hawaii? Well, if you don't notice it, that means the Lions of Hawaii are doing a fantastic job.
In disaster relief, Lions are champions. We live in these communities that are affected by disaster. We come in with the assistance of LCIF, and immediately we can help.
Lions have developed important programs for young people.
We've changed over 12 million lives through Lions Quest, helping young people making healthy, positive decisions about their lives.
Lions are champions for youth. Programs like the LEO give them an opportunity to grow as citizens of this country.
We all work together to meet the needs of the children at our 4 preschool centers.
The second panel discussed how Lions are champions of sight and health.
I'm with the Mid-South Lions Sight and Hearing Service, which provides comprehensive care to the sight and hearing impaired from Arkansas, Mississippi, Missouri, and Tennessee, the underinsured, the unemployed, the uninsured, but no charge to that patient.
We do eye care mission trips in Central America to serve those people who otherwise would not get eye care services.
Lions help Special Olympic athletes see clearly.
Oh yeah.
Lions and LCIF are introducing a new low-cost lens that makes eyeglasses more affordable.
We now have 5 pilots throughout the United States and in Africa and in certain clinics that we're going to be opening up.
Lions are also champions for those with low vision.
With our Lions Low Vision Education Program, we've been able to change the way people think about themselves and the way their neighbors think about them.
And Lions help neighbors with preventative health care.
Our Lions Club took the initiative of organizing health screenings because not everybody is insured and can afford to go to a clinic.
Through this White House event, Lions sent a strong message about the power of 1.35 million members serving together and changing communities for the better.
We all know what our community needs, and when we react to those community needs, it creates a ripple effect around the world.
Way to go. All right, good job.
Lions are true champions of change.
Hawaii is one of the most beautiful places on Earth, and Lions want to keep it that way. That's why Lions throughout the Aloha State are stepping forward as champions of the environment.
Let's surf. Lions Cup to a community means action.
We cleaned up the driftwood that has accumulated through the various storms. It makes it difficult to walk and could be dangerous.
The Lions have periodic work days. We come up and we help the folks clean up the garden, pull the weeds.
They renovated and restored a beautiful lookout.
Despite all the natural beauty, graffiti and trash polluting public areas is an all too frequent occurrence, even in Hawaii.
We recognize that graffiti is an issue, and so we are here to fight that battle and keep our islands and our communities beautiful.
Armed with brushes, buckets, and bags, these Lions come out in force to get the job done.
Everybody's working as a team, and it gives everyone the sense of accomplishment. You can do more as a group than you can do as an individual.
Working together, Lions completely transform and improve the landscape in a couple of hours. To prevent oil and chemicals from polluting the ocean, Lions are teaming up with the County of Honolulu to stencil warnings on every drain in Oahu.
Without the Lions, really, the city couldn't do a lot of the stenciling and all the drainage because there's thousands of drains and every drain leads to the ocean. It says no dumping here because literally you're dumping in our valued ocean waters.
Lions are also stepping up to help make sidewalks safer.
We have 1,800 miles of sidewalk in the city and county of Honolulu, and people are on the sidewalks all the time, skateboarding, bicycling, walking, jogging, and so as a result, they tend to degrade over time. The Department of Maintenance can only do so much.
Cracks and holes in the sidewalks are ugly and dangerous.
Normally there are about 8 to 9 injuries a month right here in the Waikiki area alone.
The city and county has been faced with a lot of lawsuits over the past several years.
The Lions stepped in to help when tough economic times and the sheer number of sidewalks needing repair became a great challenge for the city.
Real Lions get out there and do what they gotta do. They roll up their sleeves and get to work.
These short-term repairs have a large impact.
They're helping the community a great deal, as well as helping the city and county of Honolulu, as well as the taxpayers.
It takes the city about $895,000 to repair a city block. What we're doing is extending the life of the city block by about 5 years.
This has helped the city to save a whole lot of money and a lot of injuries to the public.
We've done about 96 city blocks so far. By the time we finish today's project, we'll do over 100 city blocks. I feel terrific and excellent because of the good we do.
We are Lions and we get things done.
153 million people in the world need glasses or other treatment because of uncorrected refractive error, including 84-year-old Suzanne, who makes a living selling her family's produce in the market.
I had a very hard time reading, and I couldn't walk around without help.
Children such as 8-year-old Florine do not do well in school when they cannot see clearly.
I
noticed her struggling, so I had her sit in front, but it's still not really enough.
A pair of glasses can correct many vision problems, but most people in countries such as Madagascar where half the population earns less than $1 per day, cannot afford an eye exam or glasses. With support from LCIF, Lions created the Lions Sight First Madagascar Eye Center to help with a wide range of vision problems.
We started dealing with cataract. It's the first cause of blindness.
Lions provided cataract surgery to more than 40,000 residents, including Suzanne. But more needed to be done.
The second vision problem in Madagascar is uncorrected refractive errors, myopia, presbyopia, stigmatism, all that.
To help Lions address this need, LCIF provided a grant of $40,000 to expand the Lions Sight First Madagascar Eye Center.
This center is open every day to receive all people with vision problems. About 40% of the people just need glasses.
After I got my glasses, I'm able to read the newspapers and the Bible, and I can walk around independently.
The center gives patients a new outlook on life, and it's used by a local university to train students in uncorrected refractive error.
As the number of trained refractionists increased, so did the number of people we could help.
Lions also established a program that trains teachers to screen children in the classroom. Students who need further testing are taken to the Lions Sight First Madagascar Eye Center.
I sent 2 children, and Florine was one of them.
Vision screening determined that Florine needed glasses. The center makes affordable prescription glasses on site through a partnership between LCIF and Essilor International, the world's leading lens manufacturer. Lessons learned here are helping LCIF develop similar pilot projects elsewhere in Africa.
I'm so happy she's getting glasses because I know it's going to be great for her education and her future.
When I see a child which gets glasses, the changes are remarkable.
When we see the smiles of the people we help, they go straight to your heart. No riches in the world can buy the feeling of happiness that comes from helping others.
Lions of the world will find a warm
Willkommen
at the 96th International Convention this year in Hamburg, Germany.
Hamburg is a fantastic city. It's a very international city.
The second largest port in Europe, it has more canals than Amsterdam and Venice. So Lions can enjoy many activities in and around the water. Explore the city's connection to the Beatles on one of the many tours, or visit the Model Railway Museum. The colorful Parade of Nations will celebrate Lions' diversity.
The delegations and the costumes are just absolutely fabulous.
We don't want to miss a parade.
This year, Lions will parade around the beautiful Inner Ulster Lake.
You have a round circle so you can see the other countries walking from the beginning to the end.
Plenary sessions will entertain and engage your Lions spirit. This year's keynoter will be former U.S. First Lady Laura Bush, who will speak about her involvement with issues of global concern. Seminars will motivate and educate.
I, of course, enjoy the seminars because I meet other Lions with other experience. I can learn from them, from their work, for their clubs, and then I can contribute a little bit of my experience.
You'll experience the international camaraderie of Lions and make new friends.
I love coming to these international conventions. It's just a lot of fun.
See you in Hamburg!
Meet friends in Hamburg, July 5th through the 9th, 2013. If you would like to suggest your Lions project for LQ, send your story to lq@lionsclubs.org. LQ is available on the Lions Clubs International website, YouTube, iTunes, and DVD. Lions make a difference, every day, everywhere. Thanks for watching LQ Lions Quarterly.